Hey there, it's me again. So it is absolutely raining and storming outside. So I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to just take a second and tell you guys what my role is and why I'm excited about this next venture. So I am the business development manager for the company. So basically I do all things to help make sure that we are growing in a sustainable way. And that includes a lot of things. I wear many hats. However, I was inspired by a couple different things, but we get a lot of calls from people who try to do things themselves and it doesn't go right, or who feel that they could do it themselves and save money, or maybe they're not understanding certain things, and so our plumbers play a huge role in explaining certain things. And also my own journey, knowing what the difference between PEX and PVC is, or why we have to use brass instead of copper, and I'm still learning, but those kinds of things. So I thought that it would be really cool to have a video series over a couple different things, but basically have wife DIY. So I'm gonna have my husband show me how to do some simple things at home that anybody can do and should be doing, really. And we're gonna talk about name this tool, and we're going to talk about some seasonal plumbing things that you guys can be doing, and we will talk about things that we're doing in the community, because one of the things that is important to us is that we are community partners. So we're very involved in the community, the League City Chamber of Commerce, and we volunteer a lot as well, and include a whole bunch of humor. The guys that we work with are really funny. So I'm excited to be able to share my journey and all of those things with you through a series of videos in the coming days and months. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you enjoy it too.